Check out the new look of Ibeju Lekki Road construction. Alright, on this channel today, I'll be taking you on a road tour all the way down to Tiara Estate, Ibeju Lekki. I want to remind you that last time we increased price in Amen Estate Phase 3, it is not up to a month. Tiara Estate also went up high. And then Amen Estate just increased price about 2 weeks ago. So the next on the line is going to be Tiara Estate in Ibeju Lekki. So guys, now is the perfect time for you to take advantage of Tiara selling for 23 million naira for 500 square meter and 14 million naira for 300 square meter. These prices are all inclusive. So we'll be taking a tour all the way down to Tiara to see the closeness. How far is Tiara to Amen Estate Phase 3? And this estate is owned by the same developer. Same title documentation, C of O. Certificate of occupancy. Investing in this estate is never going to be a wrong decision. We've done series of allocation in this estate and I have represent my client right here in this estate. And here is Amen Estate Phase 3, and then the white gate you are seeing is Itunu City. So we'll be driving down to Tiara Estate. Stay back and watch this video till the end. The signboard you are seeing right now is Tiara Estate Ibeju Lekki, so you can see the distance for yourself. Is actually trackable from Tiara Estate to Amen Estate Phase 3. You can see the gatehouse. We've done series of allocation right here in this estate. At the end of the video, we are going to be seeing the allocation video. So watch till the end. My name is Ichaba from Ichaba TV. Enjoy the rest of the video.